There's Cammy. She insisted on a tube ride. Out in the water. There. Is that enough now? Cammy, you want to go in now? Cammy, gonna get off? Or go again? Okay. Once more. There she goes. There she goes. No, you can't go out in the boat. She wants a tube right behind the boat. But she's pretty little yet. Okay. Grandma's standing on shore, just got a hold of the rope here. Okay, time to go. Darn mosquitoes. Look at the size of those mosquitoes. All over the place. Okay, you ready to come? Cammy? Cameron? Let's go. There. Are we all done now? All done? No, we've got to pull it up here. Pull. Get the rope, help Grandma pull. Okay, help Grandma pull. Pull it. Pull. Good girl. Good girl. There. Oh. Again?